This paragraph seems okay, except that it should be a little more concise and better organized. It has a topic sentence and it has some example details. This is a previous page that I will use both thesis statements as a comparison to check if they are developed into related topic sentences instead of being put aside for body topic sentences that are off topics, unrelated, and not supporting each other. In this second paragraph, the first two sentences are similar in some way that they are the same broadness of a concept idea. By now, we all know that the first should be a topic sentence and the second that follows should be an example. Positions and functions are very important as it won't mislead the readers, most of whom have such expectation of an essay structure. You may think that it is okay to make some comments anywhere between idea statements and examples. But this is little true only when you have fulfilled or done the functions and you got enough time, which is unlikely in a test. So, which should be used as a topic sentence? Or if the second one is good enough to be an example, for which we need something further detailed than the last topic sentence. If you realize their mission, which I call it functions, then you will make a difference for both by changing one to be broader for topic sentence and the second to be narrower or specific. Tricky. Now you have the tricks. What followed, the third sentence, is the broadest of all that can fit into a topic sentence among the three. And the fourth sentence seems hardly convincing or interesting without explaining a little of what and why. Now you know, being not careful enough, you can easily waste your time and worst of all, lose your score points. The best, except that the last sentence, which is a good example because the specific words as of learn the big salary that are truthfully vivid. Check. Let's reflect back the thesis statement as a standard guide. The third paragraph has a good topic sentence as it uses the words of natural areas, which is just the right degree of broadness to cover all examples in a paragraph, such as parks, trees, and gardens. That can be considered 3 examples already. Though one example sentence for a paragraph is a little too light. And interesting enough, the true topic idea is laid at the end of the sentence instead of at the beginning as a subject claim. We will teach you how to do so in a simple step. It is not easy to do so. It takes certain language skill. So it is okay for most people to write any sentence structure or sentence pattern as long as you have an idea that has ability to cover the paragraph. We will teach you in next course how to empower your topic statements that honor your essay with meaning, identity, and prestige. The fourth topic sentence is more of an announcement which does not provide any issue for discussion that people are expecting. It is different between essay and storyboard, like the difference between statements and description of an object or situation. We will show you how to express, declare, or advocate your authority of thesis claim for the world to know.